Hey beautiful people, it's Coach Steph here, and today I just want to take a moment to speak straight from the heart. To every woman listening, whether you're a mother, an expectant mother, a woman chasing your dreams, or someone who's ever loved, guided, or cared for another person, this message is for you. This Mother's Day, I want to celebrate you, not just for what you do, but for who you are. Because motherhood, in all its forms, isn't just about giving birth. It's about giving life. It's the love, the patience, the passion, the small daily acts that make the biggest difference, even when nobody's watching. You know, there's a strength in you that often goes unseen. The kind of strength that holds everything together when life feels like it's falling apart. From juggling work, businesses, and responsibilities, to showing up with love, even when you're tired. That is superpower. You're living proof that softness and strength can exist in the same heart. You remind the world that grace isn't weakness, it's quiet power, wrapped in love. To my young professional moms, I see you. I see those late nights, those early mornings, and the moments of self-doubt before that big meeting or that school run. I see the balancing act, wanting to be the best mom and the best version of yourself. And I want you to know you're doing an incredible job, truly. You're showing a whole generation that it's possible to have a thriving career, raise a family, and still dream big. You're redefining what womanhood, success, and purpose look like. And you're doing it with courage and authenticity. To all the expectant mothers listening, wow, what a sacred season you're in. Right now, your body and spirit are performing one of the most beautiful miracles in the world, creating life. As you prepare to meet your little one, remember this: you're already enough. You don't need to prove anything. Every heartbeat you nurture reminds the world just how powerful and divine a woman truly is. And to every woman, young or seasoned, whether you have children or not, I want you to hear this. You mother in your own way. You've mothered dreams, mentored others, loved people who weren't your own, and poured into lives without even realizing how much impact you've had. Please don't underestimate your light. Every kind word, every smile, every bit of guidance, it matters. That's legacy. That's motherhood in motion. And before I close, I want to take a moment to personally honor my phenomenal mother, Mabel. Mom, thank you. I'll never forget you. You stood by me through some of my darkest moments, dropping everything to nurture me and my family when we needed you the most. Thank you for all the countless things you do for the family, the prayers, your sacrifice, the love, the laughter. You're truly one in a million. Thank you. We love you deeply and endlessly. So today, I celebrate you all, your sacrifices, your laughter, your faith, your whispered prayers, and your unshakable love. All of it matters. And I honor the way you keep showing up, even when life doesn't go the way you planned. Because your love, your quiet, powerful love, is shaping futures, healing hearts, and lighting up generations. You are not invisible. You are brilliant. You are powerful. You are deeply enough. So from my heart to yours, happy Mother's Day. May you continue to shine, lead, and love with the same beautiful grace that makes you who you are. Thank you for Mother's Day.